we will talk about the simple interrupted suture technique. It is perhaps the most fundamental of all suturing techniques and one of the most commonly used methods that every healthcare professional should learn well. Here, we aim to approximate the skin edges using separate independent sutures for proper alignment. In this technique, after carefully exposing and separating the skin edges, we begin from one side, gently invert the tissue with forceps, and complete the pass using the appropriate vertical bite width and bite depth for proper alignment. Since I am using a non-absorbable monofilament suture here, I can pull it through safely after completing the pass. Now I pass through the opposite side, maintaining the same bite depth and the same distance. I've completed the pass. Now I move on to knot tying and secure the suture with one full knot. While making sure the knot is not positioned directly over the incision line, now I make my second half knot. After placing this half knot as well, I complete the suture. I want to show the technique once more. Since it is usually performed on the skin, we generally use monofilament, non-absorbable sutures that can be removed and cause less tissue reaction. Once again, we pass from one side to the other with even spacing. In this technique, because each knot and each suture is independent, the tension can be adjusted separately for each suture. We secure the knot in place, then slide it slightly so it does not sit directly on the incision line. I'd like to show this one more time. We pass through the opposite side with equal bite spacing and equal bite depth. Excessive tension may cause tissue ischemia, leading to poorer healing and a more visible scar. So we need to adjust the tension carefully here before placing the half knots. Then we cut the ends. Simple interrupted suture, exactly like this. Now we will place a vertical mattress suture. It is effective for high tension closures and provides strong skin eversion, helping prevent the edges from rolling inward